First step is harvesting. Pods are ready for harvesting when color change from green to yellow or pink or red depending on varieties. Step 2 is fermentation. Fermentation is the process that creates aroma, both flavor and rich color. Fermentation occurs when the beans turn brown. It consists of two stages, which are alcohol and acetic fermentation. Step 3 is drying. The cocoa seeds must be dried after fermentation. The fermented seeds are spread on trays and leave them under the sun to dry. The drying process usually takes about a week. The seeds become half of their original weight after drying. Step 4 is bean cleaning. The cocoa beans being passed through a machine that removes dried cocoa pulp, pieces of pod, and other extraneous materials. The separated cocoa bean husks are passed on to the chemical industry, which extracts valuable compounds. Step 5 is roasting. The high temperature coupled with the remaining moisture in the beans will kill any microbiology contaminants such as salmonella which may be present on the beans. Step 6 is winnowing. The outer shell of the beans is removed. The inner cocoa beans is broken into small pieces called cocoa nibs. Step 7 is grinding. The purpose is to produce as low a viscosity as possible to obtain smooth cocoa powder and chocolate taste during subsequent use of the liquor. Heat treatment generated during the grinding process causes the cocoa butter in the nib to melt, forming the cocoa liquor. Step 8 is cocoa pressing. Chocolate liquor is pumped into hydraulic presses weighing up to 25 tons, and when the pressure is applied, 80% of cocoa butter is removed. Step 9 is refining. At this point, chocolate is prepared in according to the individual recipes. Step 10 is conching process. Step 11 is tempering, a controlled cooling process to ensure proper shine, snap, and mouthfeel. Last step is molding and cooling. The chocolate was pressed into the mold to allow the cocoa liquor to cool and harden into different shapes. Lastly, the chocolate is packaged and ready to distribute to the consumer.